When you get to this page, click Open, and this is going to take you to a selection of maps, and there are over 20 maps that you can sort through to pick which one you'd like to color. You sort through them by scrolling on the left-hand side. When you find the map that you wish to color, click the Print button and make sure the destination says Save as PDF. Now, if you click Save Now, you're going to print out or save 24 or 25 pages. That's not what you want to do. You want to save just one. So I am going to save and download the map of Africa, which is on page 5, and you can see it highlighted on the left-hand panel. So when I go to Pages, instead of the All, I'm going to click the drop-down, select Custom, and then I'm going to type in 5-5. You can see in the preview, that's the map that I want to download. It's only going to download the map of Africa, which is found on page 5 of this document, and then I hit Save. On my computer, I can rename it. On a Chromebook, I think it just saves automatically, and it will save as outline map.